The AI world just hit warp speed, and you probably didn't even see it coming. What if I told you that in the time it takes to blink, a new AI image could be rendered with nearly flawless detail? Or that a single browser tab could now replace an entire professional video studio? Or this: what if one AI could run all your research, autonomously coordinating a team of agents like a digital scientist with infinite stamina? Sounds like science fiction? It's not. It's real. It's happening. And it's moving faster than anyone expected. Welcome to AI Insight, where today we're diving deep into what just might be the biggest week in AI since ChatGPT took the world by storm. Three of China's biggest tech giants, Tencent, Alibaba, and ByteDance, have unleashed an AI onslaught that's changing the rules for good. And you need to understand what's coming next, because the AI tools being released right now are not just game changers, they're industry killers. Let's start with something insane: Tencent's Hunyuan Image 2.0. Imagine typing a few words, like sunset in Tokyo with flying robots, and before you even finish your sentence, a vivid, high-resolution image pops up on your screen. Not 2 seconds later. Not 5. Instantly. That's what Hunyuan 2.0 is delivering. We're talking real-time generation here, with latency so low it feels like the model is reading your mind. And this isn't just speed for the sake of speed. The quality? Off the charts. Tencent's team has redesigned the entire architecture using new codecs and advanced diffusion methods. The result? Images with sharper textures, cleaner lines, and a level of realism that can finally satisfy commercial artists, ad designers, and game developers, without endless tweaking or retries. But the crown jewel of Hunyuan 2.0 isn't just its speed or accuracy, it's the drawing board mode. Think of this like Photoshop, but supercharged by AI. As you sketch, shade, or tweak prompts, the image updates live in real time. Want to change the lighting? Add a dragon. Remove the background? Done, instantly. This feature alone makes older diffusion models feel prehistoric. And get this, you can control it via voice. That means live brainstorming sessions, on-the-fly illustrations during lectures, marketing visuals created mid-pitch. If you're a creator, teacher, or brand manager, this tool isn't optional. It's survival. But while Tencent was turning heads with visuals, Alibaba quietly changed the video world overnight. Meet Vase, video all-in-one creation and editing suite. Until now, video AI has been a fragmented mess. You'd use one model to generate, another to cut, another to animate, and still another to edit colors. It was a tech Frankenstein. But Vase collapses all of that into one seamless pipeline. It's text to video to video, mask editing, motion control, object replacement, scene extension, and full animation support, all from one model. You can start with a single prompt, like a child walking through a post-apocalyptic city, and Vase will give you a full cinematic sequence. Then you can edit specific parts, just the sky, or the lighting, or the character's clothing, without affecting the rest of the clip. It even maintains continuity in motion, color, and depth. Under the hood, it's powered by Alibaba's new 1-2.1 model, up to 14 billion parameters, and runs open source on Hugging Face and ModelScope. That means anyone with a good GPU can use it today. And no, this isn't just lab hype. Benchmark tests show Vase outperforms major commercial competitors on nearly every metric: frame quality, temporal stability, realism. Real users are already calling it the Da Vinci Resolve of AI. But maybe the wildest part? Vase supports what they call composable workflows. You can stack features like Lego blocks, generate a scene, recolor it, extend it, and animate characters, all in one pass. No more jumping between tools, no more rendering delays. Just imagine what that means for YouTubers, filmmakers, advertisers, anyone who works with video. Now, while Tencent and Alibaba are reshaping visuals and video, ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, has declared war on general intelligence. They just dropped two massive projects that together redefine what we thought AI could do. The first is Seed 1.5 VL, their new vision language model. It's not the biggest model out there, but that's the point. This lean, efficient model, built on a 532 million parameter vision encoder and a 20 billion parameter language backend, has already outperformed OpenAI and Anthropic on over 38 of 60 public benchmarks. But what makes Seed 1.5 VL terrifyingly powerful isn't just raw performance, it's how it thinks. The model was trained on over 3 trillion tokens, with special attention paid to underrepresented visual concepts. That means it doesn't just recognize common objects, it understands weird, edge case scenarios better than anything on the market. You could throw obscure blueprints, abstract diagrams, scientific notations at it, and it won't break a sweat. And when it comes to video, Seed 1.5 VL uses dynamic resolution sampling. That means it adjusts how many frames it processes based on complexity. A static interview? Fewer frames. A fast-paced chase scene? High detail, high frame rate. This gives it superhuman efficiency for video analysis, document parsing, OCR, and even 3D object reasoning. In short, Seed 1.5 VL sees, interprets, and explains the world with a precision we haven't seen before. But ByteDance didn't stop there. They also launched DearFlow, an open-source modular AI framework designed for automated research. And this might be the biggest shift of all. Here's how it works. Rather than using one giant model to do everything, DearFlow organizes multiple specialized agents. One for planning, one for search, one for coding, one for writing, and so on. These agents coordinate through a directed graph, like a company of digital coworkers, each doing their part. Want to automate an entire academic research paper? Done. Want to build a working prototype app from just a napkin sketch and a few voice notes? DearFlow can orchestrate that, using its team of agents. This isn't just prompting. It's autonomous AI workflows. And it's open source. DearFlow is built on LangChain and LangGraph, and it's meant to be extendable. That means developers can plug in their own tools, models, and datasets, building AI systems that aren't just reactive, they're proactive. We're talking research agents that plan experiments, analyze data, cite papers, and summarize results, without human intervention. The implications here are staggering. AI can now think in systems. It can plan, prioritize, and delegate tasks to itself. That opens the door to AI managing R&D departments, writing full-length books, discovering new drugs, or running multi-step business strategies on its own. And here's where it gets even crazier. ByteDance isn't hoarding this. It's all public. If you have the right hardware, you can run it, modify it, and build on top of it today. So let's zoom out. This week, the 3 most powerful tech companies in China have dropped. A real-time, voice interactive image generator that destroys current standards. A one-stop video creation studio that outpaces every major commercial tool. A vision language model that rivals GPT-4 with far fewer parameters. And a multi-agent AI research framework that can automate entire careers. This isn't just competition. It's escalation. These aren't minor updates. These are strategic declarations. Every company saying, we're ready to lead the AI future. And the rest of the world is on notice. What does this mean for you? It means the pace of AI development is no longer measured in months. It's measured in days. If you're a creator, developer, educator, business leader, or even just an enthusiast, you need to start experimenting with these tools now. Because what we're seeing is a shift from assistive AI to autonomous AI, from creative support to creative replacement. And if you think this is where it stops, you're already behind. This is AI Insight. If this video opened your eyes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because what's coming next will make this week look like the warm-up. See you in the future.